Welcome to a short interview with CeBIT Media and Rushab Mehta. Did I pronounce that correctly, Rushab?
Yeah, more or less.
More or less, okay. You're with, that's the next problem. Is it, our people are not very sure, is it frappe or frappe? Or how do you say your own name and your company name correctly?
Yeah, so it's Rushab Mehta, and then the name of the company is Frappe. Yeah, so I represent two organizations, also ERP Next Foundation and also Frappe Technologies.
Yeah, that would have been the correct introduction. Like Rushab is the founder of ERP Next, and we're holding an event in November this year. And this video is mainly tailored to German people or people who want to fly into Germany in November 21st and visit our office in Wiesbaden. And here, Rushab tell us a little bit about his software. Can you give us a short overview of what ERP Next does? What type of software is that?
Okay, so ERP Next is enterprise resource planning. That's like the ERP system. It's basically a system that helps companies to manage their entire operations. The simplest way I describe an ERP these days, it's like a virtual representation of your business. So whatever you do in your business is represented in the virtual form in the ERP system. There's also the information backbone. So right from all money flows, accounting, financial accounting, billing, payments, bills, expenses, all of those get tracked in the ERP system. Also track your sales information, your pre-sales, your lead flow, purchasing information, project management, everything. If you're a manufacturing company, you can track bill of materials, you can track work orders. If you're a school or an education institute, you can track students and attendance and assessments and fees. So it's basically a system that tracks every information for various types of organizations.
How long have you been building this software?
So I started writing this way back in 2005 in some form. My family used to run a manufacturing company, and they were struggling with a bad ERP system. The vendor was not able to deliver. And then in all my foolishness, I thought I should start writing an ERP system. So that's how it started. In 2008, we started the company where we decided this is now a full-time activity. 2010, we called it ERP Next, and it's been a long time.
Yeah, that sounds like that, and it's pretty astonishing to find out that this software has such a modern architecture that at least our tech people, we do have 7 or 8 people who are in a team who do internal software. And those people have been looking at, so we're a 150 people company, 20 million in revenue last year, or 17 actually this year. It's going to be about 20. And we've been looking at a lot of different solutions. So first we thought about, oh, we need to improve our sales. So we are looking at Salesforce, and we've been looking into SAP. We've been looking at a couple of different solutions, SAP and Salesforce. We've been looking a long time. And the first reaction was, oh, this is open source, right? This doesn't cost anything. If it doesn't cost anything, it can't be worth anything, which is kind of cheesy. But for enterprise software, it's kind of, SAP is a very strong German brand. And people were very suspicious of, can Indian developers create a software that can compete with SAP? And it took us a long time to convince ourselves that this is the case and to go for ERP Next. And I'm hoping that if you are still watching this video, that this event that we're doing with Rushab in November will help you embark on this journey and get some trust into this open source offering. It's a free software. You can use it in your company behind the firewall. It does have a cloud offering that Rushab and this company use if you don't have any technical staff to help you. They're offering services. For German company, all of these offerings are pretty affordable. And the software is rock solid, pretty cool. Like we've been working on this for a couple of weeks with 7 developers right now. And we are not an active user yet. But what I can say is, if this software was bullshit, I wouldn't record this video, and our people would have found out like weeks ago. So I'm very excited about this. At this point, I only know a little bit more than you do. If you come to this event and you haven't heard anything about ERP Next before, Rushab is going to give a talk. Let me share my screen real quick. Let's find the right one, this one here. So there's an event page, and below this video, you'll see this link as well, siebert.biz/ERP-Next-Anwendertreffen. The whole page is in German, and there's a registration form that you can fill out if you want to come. Please do so, because it'll help us plan for the food. You'll get that even if you don't like the software, but I'm pretty sure that this is going to be worthwhile. It's a free event. There's going to be 2 parts. One is if you're using ERP Next already, or if you've dug deep into that software already, Rushab will give a deep dive, answer specific questions. It's more for those people who are already using that or deeper into that. And then we have a normal style event where Rushab will give an introductory talk, and I'm working with someone else, and our company will also tell a little bit about what experiences we have so far. Rushab's talk is going to be in English. I hope that the other 2 talks will be in German. If you cannot make it to the event, we will record it and put those recordings on YouTube, so you can at least watch them later. How often are you in Germany, Rushab?
So this is my 4th time in Germany.
Yeah, okay. So what I want to say, it's probably not that easy to meet him every other week. So even if you have to travel a little bit through Germany, it may be helpful to meet the founder. And Frappe is a very active member of this open source community, where basically everyone can contribute. But still, like, there are some people who contribute more and some who contribute less. You can see there's some GitHub. And if you are knowledgeable in GitHub and you understand what's happening there in the ERP Next repository, then you'll understand that meeting Rushab and his colleague is helpful and valuable. I hope that this video will help you understand and decide to drop by. Anything else you want to add, Rushab?
Thank you very much for the great introduction, and I look forward to the event. And I'm already excited.
Yeah, same here. I'm pretty excited. Thanks for hopping on this call and helping me introduce what the event will be about. And if you want to join, please click on the link below and register for the event. It's free, and we would really hope for you to be part of that. Thanks. Bye-bye.